So I greet everybody. I have the privilege to translate this stuff in English for you people. For those that do not hear uh, Yoruba, so I want you people to benefit some things, to benefit these stores, this work. This is unripe purple. Unripe purple. If you are a man and you are dealing with quick ejaculation, yes, when you are ready, when you have sex with your wife or with your girlfriend, you quickly release. You will see that the lady won't enjoy you because you release quick. Do you see that? So she will not enjoy you. She will feel sad. But if you have affair with a girl, you have sexual intercourse with a lady, and you use 30 minutes, 25 minutes, and you can try to reach 1 hour self to enjoy him, for two of you to enjoy yourself. Everything is not drugs. Everything is not about drugs. So this is unripe purple. If you're a man and you are dealing with quick ejaculation, is what is affecting you. Quick ejaculation, or your penis don't is not strong enough, or you don't stay long on top woman, come use this work. This is unripe purple. Find like unripe purple 3 or 4. Use clean water and wash it well. Wash the unripe purple well. When you wash it, now you are not going to peel it as you want, like you want to eat it. If you peel it, you are not going to use the purple. You are going to use the body that you peel. Now you are now going to find what they call it, Lagolis bottle, Lagolis water bottle. Find one, wash it well. And all this body, all this unripe purple body that you peel, put it all in the top. You can put coconut water. You can put ordinary water, and you can put what they call it corn, pipe. You know, say if you do pipe, there is water. There is some water that they use to do pipe. Echo water. That water they use do echo. You understand now? So I don't hear English enough. You can ordinarily use water, or use what they call it, coconut water. Then close it till next day. You can do it early in the morning. You can do this stuff early in the morning and put it a hiding place for the next day in the morning. And you come take a cup of beer. Take one and drink it before you eat. When you want to sleep, when you eat and you want to sleep, take one again. Take one cup of beer again. Let should be something like 20 to 25 minutes. Go meet your wife or your girlfriend. Make sexual intercourse with her. You will see that she will enjoy you, and you too will enjoy her, because you will stay and your penis, it will do what? Will be strong, and now quick ejaculation will not affect you again. So if you have any question to ask, WhatsApp me. When you call, I won't answer you. WhatsApp me 070-6429-4474, and try to subscribe my channel and share the program. Like and comment. My name is Prophet Akpata Agbaniko. Thank you.